Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a government school teacher job. Successfully navigating this process requires careful attention to detail and proactive preparation. We will guide you through each stage, from initial eligibility to securing your dream role. This information will empower you to confidently pursue a rewarding career in public education. To begin, ensure you meet all fundamental eligibility criteria set by the Education Board. Most positions require a bachelor's degree in a relevant subject, plus a teaching qualification such as a B.Ed. or equivalent. Gather all necessary documents, including official transcripts, experience letters, and a valid government identification card, ensuring each is up to date and readily accessible. Finding current vacancies is your next crucial step. Consistently visit the official websites of your state's education department or central teacher recruitment boards. These platforms provide real-time updates on available positions across various schools. Signing up for email notifications on government job portals can also ensure you never miss a new announcement, offering a streamlined way to stay informed. Place your cake pan into the preheated oven and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. Keep an eye on it after 25 minutes, as oven temperatures can vary. To check for doneness, simply insert a wooden skewer or toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in its pan on a wire rack for exactly 10 minutes before carefully inverting it onto the rack to finish cooling completely. This prevents it from breaking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.